Lesson 2.3, Framing and Composition. Vertical, 9:16. Cropping for cinematic presence. 7. Use movement carefully. Vertical framing works especially well with subtle motion. You can use slow push-ins, gentle digital zooms, controlled repositioning, movement following the speaker. Avoid constant zooming. If everything moves, nothing feels important. 8. Leave space for captions. This is critical for sermon content. Don't place the speaker's face directly behind large subtitles. Instead, look for areas of relatively clean negative space where captions can sit, without covering important visual information. Think about the entire composition. Speaker plus background plus captions plus platform UI. The final frame must work as one visual system. Module 3. Atmospheric sound and emotion. Visuals capture attention, but sound creates emotional involvement. A powerful sermon clip isn't only about what the audience sees. The right atmospheric sound can make a moment feel intimate, powerful, tense, peaceful, or inspirational. Lesson 3.1. Understanding atmospheric sound. Atmospheric sound is the subtle layer of sound that creates a sense of place, mood, and emotional environment. Examples include soft room ambience, audience reactions, church crowd noise, subtle reverb, keyboard or piano textures, gentle pads, natural environmental sounds, controlled transitions and impacts. The purpose isn't to make the video louder. The purpose is to make the viewer feel present. The 3-layer sound approach. Think of your audio as 3 levels. 1. Voice, the message. The preacher's voice is the most important element. It should be clear, consistent, intelligible, front and center. 2. Atmosphere, the environment. This gives the viewer a sense of space. For example, a subtle congregation. Ambience can make a sermon feel like it is happening in a real room rather than inside a completely isolated recording. 3. Music, the emotion. Music can reinforce the emotional direction of the message. For example, hopeful message, warm piano pad. Powerful declaration, gradual cinematic build. Prayer, soft atmospheric texture. Serious warning, restrained, darker ambience. The golden rule of atmospheric sound. If the viewer notices the background music before the message, it's probably too loud. The voice carries the meaning. The atmosphere supports the meaning. The music enhances the emotion. Never let the supporting layers overpower the sermon. Practical exercise. Take a 30-second sermon clip and create 3 versions. Voice only. Voice plus subtle atmosphere. Voice plus atmosphere plus emotional music. Compare them and identify which version makes the message feel most powerful without distracting from the speaker's words.